Italy has 3 iconic cities that tourists dream of visiting: Rome, Venice, Milan. But one of these cities consistently leaves travelers deeply disappointed. Visitors' disappointment doesn't come from the city itself, but from choosing the wrong city that their personal interests line up with. It isn't about picking the best city in Italy to visit. It's about matching the city to your passions. So in this video, we're visiting Rome, Venice, and Milan. All completely different worlds within one country.
And we're going to break down what makes each city extra special.
This video is brought to you in partnership with NutSac. A fashion lover stuck in ruins all day might feel trapped, while history buffs surrounded by luxury boutiques all day might feel out of place. Rome is basically an open-air museum where ancient history lives and breathes around every corner. Venice's romantic canals might feel magical to couples, but lonely if you're traveling solo. Milan pulses with modern energy. It's sleek, fashionable, and constantly pushing boundaries of design. If you're a foodie, you're golden. The food is incredible anywhere you go. Pasta gricia. It's cacio e pepe with guanciale. All right, y'all, so we're here midway of the Spanish Steps, and the police just came through and blew the whistle at a bunch of people sitting on the, including us, sitting on the steps. We knew better, but I forgot. So when you come to the Spanish Steps, make sure you do not sit down on the steps or they will get you. At the end of this video, hopefully you will have the insight to plan your perfect Italian experience based entirely on what interests you about Italy. So, which Italian city is the best for you? Let us know in the comments. Well, obviously Rome for the history lovers, Venice for the hopeless romantics, and Milan for the trendsetters. Welcome to Rome. If you've ever wanted to time travel, this is about as close as it gets. The Colosseum, the Roman Forum, the Pantheon, these aren't just ruins. They're monuments to an empire that shaped the world. Rome feels like a living museum. You can wander down a random alley and suddenly find yourself standing in front of a 2,000-year-old column. If you love stories, legends, ancient civilizations, and architecture, Rome will blow your mind. But for some, Rome can feel a bit overwhelming. The crowds, the heat, the sheer volume of stuff to see and do. It can feel overwhelming if you're not here for the history. So if you're someone that prefers a modern vibe or a slower pace, Rome might actually just wear you out. But for culture junkies, history lovers, and explorers, Rome is paradise. Welcome to Venice. Venice is, to some, a dream. A city built on water, no roads, just canals. You arrive and it doesn't feel real. Boats instead of buses. Gondolas sliding past 1,000-year-old buildings. It's peaceful, beautiful, and impossibly romantic. The narrowest alley in Venice. It's narrow. Oh gosh. Oh, this isn't bad. This isn't bad at all.
No.
Look, there's somebody's house. Oh, it's a gate. Oh, we have to go back because at the end is nothing but canal water. For couples, the city is pure magic. Sunset gondola rides, candlelit dinners, and quiet moments in tiny alleyways where time stands still. The slow pace, the focus on romance, it's not exactly bustling with solo traveler energy. It's also more about atmosphere than activities. So if you're into nightlife, big museums, or high fashion, you might feel like you're on the wrong channel. But for lovers, poets, and people who want to just get lost in the best way, ciao, Venice is unforgettable. Well, Michaela, you and your great ideas. Oh yeah, sit center. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh yeah, sit center. Oh god. Oh god. There's physics involved in this gondola here, folks. Keeping it steady. Anymore, it's going to the side. Hello. Bonjour. Oh wait, wrong country. Where are we? Bonjour. Wait, what country are we in? We're in. Okay, so I want to get in a real quick shout out to our sponsor of this video, NutSac Bags. You guys know these folks make incredible, high quality bags. Hey, for Dad's Father's Day is coming up. So we've got the leather double admin. We've got the same admin, but it's in with all the Molly panels on the front and the back. You've seen us take this one, the Sling Plus. We carried this all the way through Italy. We'll leave a link in the description below to NutSac's website. And if you use coupon code DAD2025, right now they're taking 10% off for Father's Day. So check them out. Get your dad something. Get yourself something while you can save a little money. And we appreciate the support. Thank you, NutSac, for partnering with us on these videos.
And then there's Milan, Italy's future-facing city. And then there's Milan, Italy's future-facing city. It doesn't look like Italy on a postcard. Instead of ruins and canals, you get glass skyscrapers, sleek subway systems, and avant-garde fashion.
Milan is fast-paced, polished, and confident. It's a city of business, design, and expression. This is where Italy comes to shop, to innovate, and to push boundaries. Okay. You have to do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh. If you love fashion, Milan is your playground. The shopping, though, for real, is next level. There's Gucci, there's Prada, there's Dior, there's all the major fashion houses here in Milan, of course, the fashion capital of the world. And the people watching, chef's kiss. That said, if you come to Italy looking for charm or classic scenery, Milan might feel cold. It's more cosmopolitan than cozy. But if you want to see what's next and be inspired by design and driven people, Milan might just be your favorite stop. Now, whatever city you choose, there's one thing you can count on, and that is going to be amazing food.
That was really good.
From carbonara in Rome to risotto alla Milanese, Italian cuisine changes by region, but y'all, it is all phenomenal. You literally cannot go wrong, so bring your appetite and don't be afraid to wander off the tourist track for a truly local meal. So here we are again. Which Italian city is the best one to visit? Well, it's the one that has the things that you want to do. If you love history and mythology, Rome will move you. If you're craving romance and beauty, Venice is calling. And if you're drawn to design and speed and hustle and bustle of the city, Milan is your scene.
God, I stole it.
Italy isn't one vibe, it's a spectrum. And the best trip is the one that feels like it was made just for you. So before you book that flight to Italy, make sure you're heading to the right city for you. And hey, if this video helped or even made you hungry for some pasta, we're trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. Give us a like on the video down below. Leave us a comment like, where are you from? We'd love to hear from you. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more travel tips, local eats, and adventures across Europe, because we're really just getting started.